So I've had this window installed planned quite a while ago. When I did the drywalling and the framing in the bedroom, I planned ahead and made the opening for this window to go in. I insulated it temporarily. It's all thermal barriered. And the reason I didn't do it right away is because I needed this window to come out of the kitchen area. So I took it out yesterday, and now I've installed it. I'm in the process of installing it here. And I've got my saw blade set for about 1/4 of an inch. And that way I can just cut the square out in the wall. I've drilled a hole in each of the 4 corners. I've ran a line, and I just follow the line and cut the square out, and basically out pops a couple pieces of wood, pull the insulation out, and I've got my hole all set, ready to pop a window in. So follow along with my video, and we'll watch how it all goes. So I took the kitchen window out yesterday because that's going to be my hallway. And this is our bedroom. And when I renovated, and I did the insulating and the drywalling and the painting, I framed in the window because I knew that kitchen window was going to be going in here. So now it's all ready. I can pop that thing in and get rid of that thermal barrier that's inside, and we now have a window in our bedroom. I'm probably not going to cut the thermal barrier out today because I don't think I have any spray foam. I have to put spray foam all the way around the window. So I'm going to put a couple shims underneath it. That way it sits up a little higher, and then I'll nail it in place, and then I'll spray foam all around it tomorrow. Okay, so what the plan is, you nail it all the way around, and then I'm going to put tuck tape all the way around. Then I'm going to put trim all the way around. Probably won't be doing it tonight. My battery's going to go dead on my phone. I'm going to trim all the way around. And then next time I'm in town, I'll get some spray foam, and inside I'll spray all the way around. Well, there we are. She's mostly done now. My battery went dead, so I had to hold off for a bit, let it get charged back up. But basically, the window's in. It's nailed in place. It's got some flashing on the bottom of the window. It's got tuck tape all the way around. And tomorrow I'm going to trim it, so it'll be all trimmed up. And then all I have to do is do some caulking. Because of the way the siding is, if you look at this siding, you see this little groove in here. So on top of the window, right there, you'll see water could get into there. Water could get right into that little space there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to caulk all the way around the window, and especially up on top. So that way I don't have to deal with water. And next time we go into town, I'll grab some spray foam. I'll spray foam all around the inside. And then I've got to cut some trim for the inside. And she's done. Anyways, thanks for watching. And we'll catch you on the next video.